Yes. Yes, they're gonna collide and the 4 kilogram will keep going in the same direction it was.
So I'm good with that. All right, it's not sticking together. So after the collision, I still have two different momentums. So what's the momentum of the 4 kilogram mass after the collision? And then what does the other one need to be in order for that to be your total?
Wait, I'm confused.
That's what.
Wait, after?
So what I've written in red over on the right, that's basically the order in which you're going to find things.
Oh.
So you have gotten through the first 4. P1 final is the next step.
Oh, they're not sticking, if they were sticking together, you'd be right, they're not sticking. That was actually the first thing we did, they're not sticking together. It's to find P, so you know what the total is, that's the total. You now find the momentum of the 4 kilogram mass. And, because I gave you mass velocity. Now, what is the momentum of the 3 kilogram mass need to be so that that's the total? I think you said that.
Yeah. I'm gonna send that right now. I don't know. I'm looking back at my news.
What's your total before? All right, so, direction matters. So, -6. four things you need to define. Now, you know what to do next? I don't know if I should know this. You need to find, once you have the total and minimum final, you need to find, giving enough information there, you can find the limit of that. And then the limit of this is whatever you need, it needs to be so that that's the. Yes. I just looked at the final answer, I assumed that it correctly.
But it's zero, right? You have these two.
That's not so. Oh, sorry, afterwards. Okay, right. Beforehand, what was your total initials? That 1.5 there, that's final. Before it's 4 kilograms going 6 meters per second. 3 kilograms going 2, yeah, so that's 6 there. Which changes that, You did that, what's the total minimum here beforehand? Oh. 6 times 4. 24. The process, other than that careless error, yes, that process is right. Yeah. All right, so that's the total beforehand. So therefore, it's the total afterwards. And then you do it by parts, just like you got the 18, we did that one, add them together, you get 18. Now you do this one. This one we can't do yet because that's the unknown. But you can do that one. And then you can figure out what this momentum has to be in order to get a total of 18. And then you figure out how fast this needs to go in order to get whatever momentum is you just got. That, what's this, what is this momentum here for this guy afterwards?
So where's it start? 6.
Yeah, so it's 6. The total is 18 beforehand, total afterwards is 18. This is 6. What does this need to be for the, so you get 18 total? What is this movement? That's 6 plus what gets me 18? Oh, okay, you skipped a step, yes. Yes. I'm trying to figure what you
I
did there,
skipped
because
something.
18, 18 is gonna be 6 plus,
That's what I'm in.
oh,
I
you,
I skipped that and was figuring out the velocity. I didn't even do that.
yeah, well, you were cruising right along until you got to there.
Yeah.
And then you said, I'm not gonna be bound by the conventions of mathematics.
Exactly.
It
I
is
make my
the
own
need be.
rules. Wait, so I just do 6 plus whatever gets me to 18, and then I equal that to this mass.
Yeah, 3 times whatever, 3 times V, that's all for V.
And that gives me my final for P, or that's all for V.
That's all for V. Yeah. The problem here? Okay, no, all right, if we get rid of that piece right there, you're absolutely on track. Yeah, however, if you're gonna divide a term by an unknown like you did here, you you have to do all of them, so you have no more here. My recommendation is to take this, bring this over to the other side first. And then
Okay, I got it this one. Meters per second.
Yep.
This
All right, so remember this is hard.
I literally kept going, and I would start out working one equation and just finish off with a different equation. I was like, wait, what am I doing?
Because I thought you were gonna do it on the total harmony,
Mm-hmm.
but maybe it's like.
There you go.
I'm
Yep.
just like, it's gonna be the same.
I kept trying to work out the final, and I was like, this doesn't make any sense. And then I was like, wait, it's just the same. Never mind. That's why I kept getting confused, because I kept trying to work out the final, and I was like it kept holding me back, because I was just working out the velocity.
There's 6 of
Now, how do I start on that master set? I hate having test hours, like, literally doing like everything for the next test, and we haven't taken the first test. So now, I'm on this, like, my brain is set up for this, and after you take the test, I'm gonna like, you know, I'm like, basically, because it's gonna be all like 4 stickers. Yeah, I've already forgotten all that stuff now, because we're on all this. This is what my brain is set on now.
What is that 6? That's the philosophy.
I didn't want to get so far ahead into these chapters, because I'm going to take the test now, and it feels like I don't remember it. And I don't really have stuff to fun. But shit, I mean, now, my job keeps canceling me for all the shifts, and it's like, I didn't work yesterday. And my son was sick, so I couldn't pick the dates, and I canceled me for tomorrow, and I was like, I'm supposed to feel like this. Like, keep canceling me.
Alright, so you have a total of 18. Okay.
Yeah, when the census is low, they cancel people. Which, I mean, I'm not staff, so if for people to go,
Okay, so this is 6.
choose me about it.
And the total
It
is
just
18.
irritates me because I don't want to.
So what is the minimum of this
I hate going to
one?
other facilities if I haven't been
Ignore
here
this.
because.
Your total is
sometimes
18.
I go
This has 6 units.
Well,
Total is 18 units.
like.
What is this minimum need to be?
And
So that the total is
I guess it's okay if I
18.
go on for an 8-hour shift because I can get in for quick. If I go in and take a 12-hour shift, this is actually. That's
Yes.
a long day to sit
That's 6
there.
units. This has to have 12 units, so that the total
Especially if they're
is 18.
super understaffed.
And so then the question is, how fast does this need to go, or what's the velocity so that you get 12? 12 is the momentum. Yeah, so the mass times this velocity will get you 12 units. So 3 times 3 is 12.
Well, sometimes.
Like, how fast is-
like,
what is
you
this
transfer
velocity
people
after
from
the-
one line to, like, a certain line to, like. Right now, like, first of all, I hurt my back like that.
Why don't we take a look as a group? And then we'll start wrapping up. This basically is the order in which you need to find things. So mass times velocity, as it's written over there. So I left out that to the right was positive. So this is going to be 4 times 6, or 24 units of momentum. The second one, 3 times -2, or -6 units. So my total is, well, I can just add them together, I get 18. Momentum's conserved, so I know my final is 18. Now, you might say, well, how do you know I'm supposed to ignore the planet below it? Well, I never said there was a planet below it, so that's one reason to ignore it. Now, afterwards, I know my total is 18, so whatever this momentum is plus this momentum has to add up to 18. And so, well, for the 4 kilogram mass afterwards, I told you it's a velocity, so that's 4 times 1.5, which is 6. So my total is 18. I know 6 of it is taken care of in mass 1, so what does this need to be?
12.
So 6 and 12 is 18. And that's equal to mass times velocity. So that's equal to 3 times my velocity. So 12 is equal to 3v. V equals 4. And then it's a positive number, so positive 4 meters per second. Now, this might or might not be physically possible. There's one other thing that we need to take into account, but that involves energy, which we haven't really done. All right. Questions? All right, so let's, before I hand those back, I had master sets 6 and 7 due on the 14th. Let's make master set 6 due on the 14th. Master set 7 due on the 19th. So all I've done right now is just move master set 7 from due on the 14th to due on the 19th. And now that's the back.
And before I accidentally flash a grade, let's